Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Nabla symbol to a Markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook using LaTeX code. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll add in the word Nabla, followed by the LaTeX code to actually show the Nabla symbol, which is a backslash followed by Nabla. So Nabla, and then to actually show this in a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now once we run this cell, we can see the Nabla symbol here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add a Nabla symbol to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.